I was listening to the radio this morning, and the host asked a question, and he said, what's a scam that's been normalized? And a couple people called in, and they were like, they talked about Bitcoin. They talked about some dude got up and was talking about the banks, and it got me thinking, and I was like, what is a scam that all Papua New Guineans have to endure and have to suffer? And I thought about taxes. I thought about taxes because firstly I get taxed, income tax. I get taxed on my blood, sweat and tears every fortnight. I got to pick up my pay packet, and there's a little portion at the bottom there that says 10% goes to the government, 5% or whatever. So you get taxed there, and then you go to the shop with whatever's left of your pay. You go to the shop to get your little rice, your little tin fish, whatever, and you get taxed again. There's tax on goods and services. And I do this for 30, 40 years. I pay the government tax through my income, through purchasing shit at the shops. And after 30, 40 years of working my ass off, I put a little bit of money aside in my savings, and I go to take out my life savings, and the government just walks in and takes some more of that, some more of my money. Isn't that a fucking scam? That's a fucking scam. If I have fucking seen one, that's a scam. And you get taxed, left, right, and center by the government. All that money, where the fuck does it go? Where does it go? The only thing this fucking government is good for is building roads. They build you nice fucking roads. Roads that lead to schools with no teachers, schools with no tables and desks, schools with outdated curriculum. They build you nice flashy roads with your tax money, to hospitals with no medicine, hospitals with no doctors. I've been getting taxed for 30, 40 years, and where the fuck is that money? So if taxation in this fucking country isn't a scam, I don't know what the fuck is.